Navigating the Amazon selling landscape requires a reliable tool, and choosing between Jungle Scout bases versus Sweetie plans is a crucial decision. In this video, we will dive into the intricate differences between the basic and Sweetie versions of Jungle Scout, helping you decide which plan best suits your e-commerce ambitions, whether you are just starting out or looking to expand your presence on Amazon. Understanding these plans' features, benefits and costs is essential for your success. And by the way, if you would like to sign up for Jungle Scout, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. With that in mind, let's get started. What exactly is Jungle Scout? Finding the perfect product to sell on Amazon can be like looking for a needle in a haystack. There are so many factors to consider and taking shortcuts won't get you far. This is where Jungle Scout comes in. Jungle Scout is a tool that helps you find products to sell on Amazon. It's packed with features that help you discover niche markets, find profitable and low competitive products, and much more. It's a trusted software tool that offers a suite of features designed to make your product research on Amazon easy and effective. Whether you are looking for your next bestseller or just starting out, Jungle Scout has something for you. Jungle Scout pricing, basic versus Sweet. Jungle Scout has three main pricing plans: basic, Sweet, and professional. For someone just starting, the basic plan, which costs $49 per month or $349 per year, might seem appealing. It gives you access to the Jungle Scout browser extension, which is a powerful tool for doing product research directly on Amazon. The Sweet plan, on the other hand, is priced at $69 per month or $589 per year. It's designed for those who want to dive deeper into product research and take advantage of more advanced features. The professional plan is for the most advanced users and costs $129 per month or $999 per year. The core differences between basic and Sweet. The basic plan is perfect for those just stepping into the world of Amazon selling. It offers a single user license, meaning it's designed for individual use. With this plan, you gain complete access to the Jungle Scout browser extension available for both Chrome and Firefox, making it easier to research products directly on Amazon. This plan aims to kickstart your journey by helping you research and validate product ideas effectively. You will have the benefit of learning through Jungle Scout's training tutorials, understanding your sales better with sales analytics, and simplifying the process of collecting reviews with review automation. However, keep in mind that the access to crucial tools like the product tracker, opportunity finder, product database, keyword scout, and supplier database is somewhat limited. These limitations mean you might outgrow the basic plan as your business needs expand and require more in-depth analysis and broader tool access. Switching gears to the Sweet plan, it's crafted for Amazon sellers looking to take their business to a higher level. It's built on everything the basic plan offers and introduces additional benefits that are too good to ignore. The most significant upgrade is the ability to add multiple users to your content, making it ideal for teams. This plan unlocks a treasure trove of data, including 1 year of historical keyword data and 3 months of historical product tracking data, offering richer insights for strategic decisions. With the Sweet plan, every door is open. You get unrestricted access to the opportunity finder, product database, keyword scout, supplier database, and enhanced product tracker and review automation features. This comprehensive access is designed to support and fuel the growth of your Amazon business. For anyone determined to scale up their operations and dive deeper into market analysis, the Sweet plan is the logical choice, providing the tools and data necessary for success. Digging deeper, what makes each plan stand out? The basic plan is perfect if you are dipping your toes into the world of Amazon selling. It helps you understand the basics of product research with tools that are easy to use. However, if you are looking to expand your business and explore more products and markets, the Suite Plan offers a more robust set of tools. The Suite Plan not only lets you keep an eye on more products at once, but also dives deep into the market's past with its extensive historical data. This depth of insight is essential for spotting trends that could dictate the next big hit or miss in the marketplace. Having this information at your fingertips means you can choose products to sell with greater confidence, armed with knowledge about how similar items have performed over time. With the Suite Plan, bringing in extra hands to manage your Amazon store becomes easier thanks to the multi-user feature. Whether it's a team you've built or a virtual assistant you rely on, this plan understands that more brains can lead to bigger successes. Everyone you add gets to wield the same powerful Jungle Scout tools, ensuring your business grows efficiently and cohesively. Additional features and benefits. Both Jungle Scouts plans offer peace of mind with their 7-day money-back guarantee, inviting you to test their capabilities without tying you down. If you discover the tool doesn't align with your expectations or needs, you have the freedom to walk away. This flexibility is crucial in the fast-paced world of e-commerce, where your tools need to adapt as quickly as your business does. For those who don't fly solo in their Amazon ventures, the Suite Plan's additional seats feature is a game changer. It means your partners or team members can jump into the fray, armed with the same data and tools that you have. This collaborative approach not only streamlines workflows, but also enriches your strategy with diverse insights and expertise. Product research tools, a closer look. When it comes to unearthing profitable opportunities, the Suite Plan shines by eliminating the search limits present in the basic plan. This unrestricted access ensures you never miss out on uncovering potential gold mines. Thanks to unlimited use of the Opportunity Finder and Keyword Scout, such unrestricted research capabilities are pivotal for sellers aiming to stay ahead in the competitive Amazon landscape. The browser extension, a cornerstone feature of both plans, exemplifies Jungle Scout's commitment to empowering sellers with actionable data directly from Amazon. It delivers real-time insights on estimated sales and revenue, among other vital stats for a wide array of products. This immediate access to crucial data simplifies the decision-making process, enabling sellers to make moves based on solid, up-to-date information. Advanced seller features for Suite users. If you opt for the Suite Plan, you will get access to advanced seller features not available in the basic plan. These include the rank tracker, which helps you monitor the performance of your keywords, and the inventory manager, which assists you in managing your stock levels effectively. These tools are essential for anyone looking to scale their Amazon business. In conclusion, whether you choose Jungle Scout Basic or Suite depends on where you are in your Amazon journey. If you are just starting, Basic offers the essentials to get you going. But if you are serious about growing your business, Suite provides powerful tools for expansion. Remember, investing in the right plan can significantly impact your success on Amazon. Choose wisely and take the first step towards achieving your e-commerce goals today. And don't forget, if you would like to sign up for Jungle Scout, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time.